YON World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to sell your music online, how to get your music on Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Pandora, Amazon Music, TikTok, Instagram Music, all the good stuff. Everywhere you want your music to be streamed, I'm about to share how you would do that now. In order to show you how to go about getting your music, selling your music online, you know, we're gonna use UnitedMasters. Now, UnitedMasters is what's called a music distribution service. Now, there are plenty of different music distribution services out there that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. You're an independent artist, you can sign up on all of these different platforms just to see how they pay out and how they work. The thing I like about UnitedMasters mainly is the interface. You know, the app, you know, it's one of the few, I think one of the only music distribution services that has an app which you can log on and you can literally upload music straight from your iMessage, man. You can upload MP3 straight from your iMessage and distribute through UnitedMasters. So you keep 100% of your rights. You get paid every month through PayPal after the first, you know, once you release your music, it's an initial 45-day period where you don't receive any money, but after that, every month you get paid. So on this video, we about to go over how you would sell your music, you know, using my music as an example. So today I'm going to upload an entire album using UnitedMasters. So in order to do this, you would first have to join UnitedMasters, download the app also from the App Store. But I already have my, you know, once you have your account set up, you can go over to the left hand side on the toolbar and you will see all of the options you have. Now right here, you know, you can add music, add videos. You can also add your videos to platforms like Apple Music, Vivo, and they have a number of other different platforms they distribute your music video to. But I distribute music videos also with UnitedMasters, but we're gonna upload music today. And you see, you can connect your socials. They have the money tab, the exclusives where, you know, they have playlist promotion. The biggest playlist right now they're running is to get on the NBA playlist, and it's actually sponsored by the NBA for real. So, you know, if you have a game-changing song, you know, a song for that moment, you know, you can upload it through UnitedMasters NBA playlist, and you can also promote your songs, you know, using their promotion service and their promotional features. So today we're gonna just upload the album. I already have my album in a folder. I recommend, you know, you keep your music files organized, whether it's on your phone or on your computer. Keep your music files organized. I like to use eMaster to master my MP3s because UnitedMasters, they recommend you upload WAV files, but I know how to convert my MP3s to WAV files, but I just don't feel like doing that right now. I just wanted to upload the master MP3. The thing I like about UnitedMasters is that you really don't have to convert your file to a WAV because they automatically convert it on the upload. I'm going to show you that. So I'm gonna just throw my tracks on here. It's real simple. Once you have it in a folder, you know, you can either click add more right here and the folder will pop up, or you could just have your folder open on the side of your computer and just drag and drop. You know, just drag and drop. All you gotta do is drag and drop each one. And you see this little tab where it says low quality. You click on it. It says we converted your MP3 basically to a WAV. So that's what I like about UnitedMasters. I like that they do that. A lot of, well, no other music distribution service does that. You would have to have a WAV file, the correct one. So we're gonna keep adding these songs. Great change coming. I know we got 9 songs. I don't want to overload it. Y'all put Walk Alone on there. Walk Alone. Fries of Melanin. Know Your Worth. Voices. The Dawn. What we got? Pain on there. That's 7. Which one I'm missing? Money Killer Problem. And we need, what's the last one I had on my album? You know that feeling when you make so much music you don't even remember all your songs? That's me. Okay, so we got all our songs right here. We're gonna have to rename them because a lot of these names is not the same. But you see they converted them all to WAV files right here. And we would click right here, we would just go on the next button. Now here we would drag and drop the cover art. So let me find the cover art. We family or we nothing. Look this up on my computer. And the cover art gotta be 3,000 by 3,000. And the King of Egypt on the cover right there. But title of this release is We Family or We Nothing. Record label is YON WORLD. So this song is called We Family or We Nothing. And here, as I do this, this is where you would just enter in your track information, the songwriters, everything. So I'm about to enter in all of this information.
We're gonna go to the next screen. This song's called Set.
You get your full dollar because iTunes take 30 cents off the top.
Alright, so operate.
Two. Voices. Operate. Money killer problem. Know your worth. Alright, we're gonna Alright, now we got all of our songs all set up. We uploaded our track. We got our release title. We got our artist name, the genre, you know, the record label. We're gonna distribute this as new, even though it's been out before. You know, or maybe I should put my real. It's a re-release. It was originally released on November 23rd, 2018. Alright, so we got all our songs lined up. We got all of our information filled out. We got the price for every song, $129. That's how you're supposed to do it. And we're gonna go to next. Now we want this released immediately. So we're gonna set the date to as soon as possible, March. We're gonna just set it for March 31st? When the next Friday? I like dropping music on Fridays. That's like the global day you're supposed to drop music on Friday. Come on, calendar. Alright, so we're gonna just say we need this one fast. We're just gonna say the 27th. Well, March 27th. It had Friday right there in my face then. Alright, so next, you know, we're gonna confirm and submit that. You know, walk along. Alright. We already got it monetized on SoundCloud, but optional distribution. We're gonna just monetize it on SoundCloud too, see what they do. Submit.